Hello, my name is Kenneth Robertson with the Northwest Earth and Space Science Pathways program. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with the MyBlock system for your LEGO Spike robot. Let's start out by opening up the program. It is here you will see a sidebar for all the list of commands that you can give to your robot. At the very bottom of the screen, you will see the option for MyBlocks, which is colored in red. After clicking on the MyBlocks option, this is where you can start typing in what kind of command this block will be. For the sake of this video, we want this MyBlock command to be for a 90-degree right turn. After pressing enter, you'll be greeted with the red block. This is where you will define what the command will exactly do. Since our command block is going to utilize the yaw angle, we want to first set our yaw angle to 0 degrees. Then, you want to set your robot's right turn to 100, as this will allow the robot to do what is called a tank turn. Next, we're going to set a parameter for the robot to keep turning to the right until it senses that the yaw angle is at 90 degrees. After this, we're going to set a block over there to have the program stop once it has reached 90 degrees. With these set of commands, your robot should now be able to move 90 degrees using the yaw angle. I hope this video has turned your frustration into inspiration, and I wish you the best of luck for your ROV-ing on the Moon lesson.